Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a poll on Instagram application. So make sure that you're already upgrading your Instagram into the newest versions, and then you just need to open the Instagram application whenever you are finish upgrading the application. So the newest version of Instagram is provide you to create a poll in two ways. You can use the poll for your Instagram story, and the other one is for your Instagram feed. So for this tutorial, I would like to show you for Instagram story poll. And the thing that you have to do is just go click this plus button with the blue color here to access your photo library. And after that, you just need to choose the picture for the background of the poll section. And after that, you just need to take a look on this upper side. There will be like a symbols with the smile icon right there, and then you just need to go click it. To create a poll, you just need to go click this poll button, and after that, just create the question that you want to ask into your follower. And after that, you just need to type it on this side. And given options, you can just type the options here. If you need more site for the option, you just need to go click at another option and just type the other options. So, and after you're done, you just need to go click done. You can also adjust in the position as well as adjusting the size by pinch with two of your finger. And whenever you're done adjusting everything, you just need to go click add into your story, and now you're done. So that's the way how to create poll on Instagram, guys. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.